All right, Jake, we've gotten a few questions on our speed bumps. Can I install our speed bumps on a gravel road?
Yes, you can. This is our MLSB 2.5 inch. This is used for gravel roads. And this is an earth anchor that you use to install onto a gravel road. This goes into the ground and a lag bolt goes through the speed bump right into the earth anchor.
What reflective material do we use on our speed cushions?
We use a retro-reflective thermoplastic arrow on our speed cushions. This is applied to the product after manufacturing, which means it's maintainable for years to come.
Can we remove our speed bumps for the winter when the snowplows are on the roads?
Yes. The difference between the RubberForm traffic calming line and other competitors of ours is that they're very light. This is half the weight of our competition and can be easily removed for winter and reapplied, reinstalled in the spring.